Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fresh spinach pasta at home. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 150 grams of fresh spinach, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, and 2 large eggs. Making pasta from scratch is a rewarding experience, and this vibrant green pasta is both beautiful and tasty. Let's get started with our preparation. Next, we'll prepare our key ingredient, the spinach. Briefly blanch the 150 grams of spinach in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then immediately transfer it to an ice bath. Squeeze out all excess water, then blend it into a smooth puree. Now, combine 250 grams of flour with the spinach puree and 2 eggs, kneading for 10 minutes until the dough is perfectly smooth. Now comes the fun part, rolling and cutting your pasta. Divide your beautifully kneaded dough into 4 equal portions. Working with one piece at a time, roll it out very thinly, ideally to about 1 millimeter in thickness. You can use a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Once thin, cut the sheets into your preferred pasta shapes, like classic fettuccine or wide tagliatelle. This step truly brings your pasta to life. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your incredible homemade spinach pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. Once al dente, drain it quickly and serve immediately with your favorite sauce, perhaps a simple butter and sage or a rich marinara. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.